Good morning, it's Adrian, it's Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche, and today is Walkabout Wednesday with beautiful blue skies here in Cornwall. In a way, we shouldn't be working, we should be out enjoying the lovely roads in these glorious cars. Today, I'm going to show you through the showroom because we've got some really nice, interesting and unusual pieces of kit here. Come with me for a quick tour. Well, I'm going to pick out some things that I particularly like, and this is 997 with a full GT3 aero kit on it, and it looks really nice. First of all, it's red, which is unusual on a 997, with the black rims, black sports seats, and non-sunroof car spoiler, and that gives you all the appearance items of a GT3 for considerably less of your hard earned. So I like that car. But I'm going to pick out some more. We do well with 986 Boxsters. Always got some nice ones here. If we've got them, they're going to be really good. And we've got this Zanzibar Orange Pearl. Super unusual colour. I think there's only about 25 of them in the UK. Another 986 Boxer, also reserved. So let's have a look around. I want a closer look at this 992 Turbo S. So like the 991s, has the ceramic brakes, which are a thing of beauty on their own. Centre lock wheels. Beautiful detailing. There's a reason for everything with Porsche. This one has a panoramic glass roof and probably every extra known to man, and beautiful Bordeaux leather with embossed head restraints. That is super nice. Beautiful colour combination, I think, against the grey. Let's see what else we have. (997) C2 Tip S, just £30,000. Really worthwhile car. Let's go and take a closer look. It's dark grey inside, full leather with the leather dash. Looks like a very nicely kept car. With a 997 there. 987 Cayman. Now this to me looks super value. It's a 996 C4S, so that meant that you had the four-wheel drive, the wider turbo body, normally aspirated engine. It's a Gen 2, so it's got the later lights, and 3.6. Now along with that, you got the turbo style wheels, a roof that folds up in about 20 seconds, one button, sports seats, navigation, and this one's a 6-speed manual. And at £29,000, with us stood behind it and having checked it over, lovely colour, super good value. We've got a 911 SC 3 litre. These have become very popular with the G series, with the impact bumper. Popular and very hard to find now. And this has found us because I supplied it many moons ago to this gent, and he's kept it an awful long time, and it's a lovely example. Very unusual in silver for a British car. And bonus is that it's got the sports seats, look, with the bigger bolsters, and the Pasha that makes your eyes cross if you look at it too long. That's a super good combination and a very nice car. So let's move on. We've got a 996 turbo. So this blue one and the turbo, the C4S, share the same body. That's in blue with the Savannah. Another 997. A very nice 993, now reserved. Now this should go. It's a 993 C2 Cabriolet in arena red. Very, very nice colour on a 993. It's subtle and it's quite sort of cheery, and it really shows off the shape as the metallic changes on it. These are a lovely thing to drive. This one's under £50,000. It's a manual with grey interior and just very, very nice. And what I like with these cars is how solidly they are built. They always were, and that's a very good choice for a classic 911 without going mad. Beside it, 964. It's a C4 Cabriolet. I've driven this car a little bit. Again, unusual for the period, in silver with full black sports seats. Manual car, of course. Non-Porsche. What can you say about this? A Miami Blue 1.9 205 GTI. It's an absolute beauty. It's a full leather car with sunroof. So that will find a nice home in someone's toy box. G944 Lex. Dead cute. Here, 993 C2S, so turbo bodied, left-hand drive, very rare in red, super nice car. This white one is 72. Ferrari is sold. 991 here. Under £50,000 car we've supplied before. It's got the look, and it's a C2 PDK. Sort of rather like that. Carmen red GTS Boxster. Now for investment, it's a few quid. It's not the cheapest one in the world. So that's a look around the showroom, ladies and gents, for this Wednesday. And if I've missed anything that you've seen in the background, let us know, and I'll do an additional video to cover those things. But those are the things that have caught my attention today. Hope you enjoyed it. That's all from me at Williams Crawford. Thanks for watching.